Oh my goodness, Citibank analysts have increased their price targets for AMC stock. Yes, they have risen from $5 per share all the way to a whopping $6 per share. Thank you so much, analysts. We really appreciate that. And I'm just kidding, guys. In all fairness, I think that $6 valuation it's reasonable, okay? But they are looking at the fundamentals of AMC. They see, yes, they've got $2 billion in liquid assets. I believe it's $1.8 billion. But they see that there's $6 billion in debt out there. Revenue is drastically lower than it was in the past. And although things are improving, they're improving drastically slower than one would hope for. And these price targets, guys, they don't justify the fact that apes are buying up these shares in hopes of a short squeeze. So let's discuss a little bit about this, because, you know, it can get daunting when people say the price should be $6 and it's trading at $40 per share. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you're trying to find a broker, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up an account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, so make sure to check that out. Let's talk about this, all right? Because it's funny to me that in this article that I'm reading, they say that analysts, like if you've been living under a rock, that's the only way you haven't heard about AMC. I would venture to say that these Wall Street analysts have been living under a rock. They know why AMC stock is rising in price. Yet they go out there and they come up with these fundamental valuations, and only traditional investors. Let's go over what a traditional investor is, okay? If you're investing in a company, what you can do is you can go out there and you can put a value on what you think that company is worth. Now, analysts, they typically are in the right ballpark. Let's say that AMC stock is worth $6 per share. That's based on its fundamentals, based on its revenue, based on its balance sheet, based on its day-to-day operations. AMC could be worth $6 per share. AMC is not a traditional investment. GameStop is not a traditional investment. They take so much for granted that the apes are just some passing movement, that this is just some sort of a fad, that AMC stock will fall back down to its fundamental value. One day, it will. Post short squeeze. The apes, if there's anybody on Wall Street watching right now, take note, okay? I get it. I get you can do the math. I get you can plug these numbers into your equation and you come up with a $6 price target. It's not that hard. You've probably already got them programmed in your Excel spreadsheet. You plug the numbers in and it gives you that $6 valuation. We understand. You probably aren't even doing it. It's probably all written in some code and then your program spits it out for you. You're not even plugging it in. You're getting your data and then your data is being plugged into the program for you and that's spitting it out. But at the end of the day, apes are here to stay. I'm saying it slow because it's like Wall Street hasn't gotten it yet. They haven't caught on that the AMC stock apes are not going anywhere. Don't you think that AMC would have fallen back down to your $6 valuation by now if we were leaving? We're not. The shorts have not been covered. When the shorts cover, okay, great. I'll let it go down to $6. I'll let it go below $6 per share. Actually, I might be a little bit more bearish on that price target than you are. Once the short squeeze is over, that is plain and simple, guys. We've been here since January. We've been here since February. A lot of people jumped in June. You've been here for the better part of a year now, and they think you're leaving. What? Did you come here for a 10% gain? Did you come here for a 5% gain? Did you come here for a 20% loss? Absolutely not. You came here for life-changing money, and that is exactly what we will walk away with. Now, one day, Wall Street will understand that the AMC stock apes are not going away. And when that day comes, they will realize the risk of holding those short positions, it's too much. They can't handle it anymore, and then they will be margin called. And when that day comes, you have a decision to make. Do you take double your money triple your money, quadruple your money, quintuple your money, 100x your money, and so on. You determine, not the short sellers, not the buyers at that time, not the FOMO buyers. You, an AMC stockholder, determine when to sell your shares. And if we all hold out on our shares, we get the life-changing money that we originally bought AMC stock for. I don't know if people need reminded, but back in January, back in February, it was very simple. And it's returning to that simplistic nature right now. It truly is. A lot of the, I don't know, DD that we saw along the way, a lot of these, oh my gosh, this could cause a squeeze, oh my gosh, that could cause a squeeze, and so on, with the bonds and with everything trying to I don't know, different lawsuits and different things that were going on. Everything that could have caused the squeeze or could have been a catalyst, it's returning to that buy and hold nature. And it is as simple as that, guys. And I know that I wish there was a date on when these short shares expired. There's not a date. It all comes down to risk management. If they can manage the risk, they will not cover the shares. But one day, they will realize when we are not going anywhere and they could potentially sit on this loss for all of eternity, they will close their shares. And when that happens, the price rises. And we don't take $1 million from them. And I'm not talking per share, I'm talking total. We don't take $1 billion from them. We take every single penny that they have. That's our life-changing money. They're the ones that wrote the blank checks. Don't cash it in for less than you're worth. And I'm telling you right now, you're worth more than you think you are. This whole thing, it's your time. It's your time to get what you're worth, and you are worth an absolute unlimited amount. So guys, in the comments below right now, just stand together. All right, AMC strong, stronger together, apes strong, throw the diamond hands, go back old school to what this movement started on and remind everybody that we might not have the FOMO buyers right now. We might not have all eyes across the globe on AMC, but we have each other and we have the reason we began buying AMC stock. Simple as that. Simple as that. And guys, if this button is still red, make sure to click and subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We've got links for Webull, Binance, Gemini down in the description below. And then I'm pretty sure that's it, guys. So until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.